This is how to make the 8-panel art magazine so that you can do something cool like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you open your page all the way up. It looks like this. You want to learn how to make that and so you can do different art? Here, let me show you. Grab your favorite paper. This one with the fish is made with this watercolor paper, 140 pounds. So it takes, to get like your edges really, really good to line up, like this one is not lined up perfectly. It's going to take slow and methodical, perfect folding. So let's do it with this one. Let's get a regular sheet of paper, just so we can practice. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half. This way. Then we're going to fold it in half this way. Okay. I'm not being super accurate, but pretty close. And so you'll see on this page, on the finished magazine, that it has the fold. Actually, it folds this way. And then it folds in half again, and then we want the ends to come up towards us. So let's do that. Let's do the ends come up towards us like this. So let's do one like this. Get that lined up the best we can. And then we'll do this one. Like this. Get that lined up the best we can. And now we have this, like this. And so where do we make that cut? So let's take a look here. We've got our page folding this way, and these up, so the cut's going to be right there. So let's get our scissors. We're going to cut along this line right here, this line right here, to that depth. And again, to get this super perfect so it folds perfectly, you're going to do your best to get that cut perfect. Like that. And that's pretty much it. So let's take a look at what this looks like. Let's take a look at what this looks like. So the finished one, that opens up, makes a star. So let's see if we can do that with this one. Opens up, kind of makes a 4-sided star. And there we have it, 8-panel art magazine. And you can fidget with it or trim it. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put your favorite art, stickers, sketches. It could be a special gift card. There's lots of different things you can do with an 8-panel art magazine, as I have done right here. And that's it. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Let's end on the hammerhead shark right there.